with a major PIP, we always deployed a PIP writer to go out to that property. You know, you spend 8 hours on the property, you're taking pictures, and Bill, as you alluded to, you know, you're trying to write a report, or you're trying to remember things while you're on your plane ride home, you know, of what you saw, but you didn't make a note, or you didn't write, you know, you didn't capture it in a picture. Now we have changed that to, in the beginning, we worked with one brand with trying this out with Matterport. And it was such a success. We are doing it with all of our brands that require a major PIP. As you stated before, within 48 hours, we can have a completed scan of that building. It comes back to the PIP writer. They can write much more detailed PIPs with the scan. And as we're starting to do now, as you can see in this demo here, we're starting to tag the photos as well, that we can send the scan directly to the property and they can understand what we're looking at.